Morning, ma'am. Welcome to Nathan Restaurant. This is Marjorie Morales speaking. How may I help you?
Hello. I would like to make a table reservation.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your name?
I am Judy Ann Crisostomo.
I spell out your name. Judy. Is it correct, ma'am?
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay, ma'am Judy. What is the date, exact, and time you arrive?
At exactly November 28, at the time of 8 p.m.
Table for how many person, ma'am?
Table for 2 persons.
Okay, ma'am. Can you just wait for a minute? I will check if we have available that day.
Okay, sure.
Thank you for waiting, ma'am. We have 2 tables for 2 person available. Okay, Miss Judy. Do you prefer on smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
Okay, Miss Judy. May I know your contact number? 0912-345-6789.
Okay.
Okay, Ma'am Judy. May I repeat your information? Your name is Judy Ann Crisostomo. You arrive in the restaurant at exactly
Okay.
reservation is for 2 person with non-smoking area, and your number is 0912-345-6789. Do you have a special request, ma'am?
None.
Okay, Ma'am Judy. Once again, this is Marjorie Morales speaking. Thank you for calling. Have a nice day. Good morning, Ma'am Judy. I would like to remind you that your reservation tomorrow at exactly 7.
Okay.